Open your paint.net and set the size to 1920 and 1080. Then click on the mouse and delete the background. Put it as a transparent background. Go to your text and type in whatever text you want. I'm going to type in my name. Set the size. Choose what kind of font you want for your text. Alright, so I'm going to choose this one. Arranged it so it doesn't like out of the paper. Create a new layer. Open your picture, any picture you like to put on your, this is my picture, and now just click on it and click Ctrl C to copy and paste it to your project. Arranged it as you like. This is not like Photoshop where you can create a clipping mask, so you need to set what you want for your text picture. This is not like a Photoshop, so use your magic wand, set it, delete it, move the layer up, and as you can see, you got your picture in the text. You can experiment with it. Don't forget to merge the layer. You can experiment with it, put drop shadow, put it as a reflection or anything. For me, I like to use drop shadow. This looks cool when you put it with anything else. So there it is. There's your picture inside the text. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.